Stories in VSLs. This is a completely random topic which I'm going to geek out about. Okay. You form beliefs based off experiences. So if I put my hand on a stove and I get burned, then I'm going to believe that the stove is hot and therefore burns my hand. Logical. Sales is the transfer of belief from one individual to the next individual. And that's all a salesperson is. It's like a one-on-one motivational speaker. They're transferring their belief to the other person. Stories act as lived experiences that people don't have to go through. So it's like back in the olden days, it'd be fucking, I don't know, caveman telling another caveman, ooga booga, tiger go, bitey, me not likey. Right? And then you're like, ooh, okay. And then instead of that person having to experience a fucking tiger eating their arm and biting them, they can just believe that a tiger is dangerous. And I think stories in VSLs kind of work the same way, which is you can transfer belief in somebody without them having to go through the experience that you went through, aka sales. Fire. I'm probably wrong in some fucking way, but I thought it was cool. Okay, bye.